All right, welcome back. My name is Gimho, and it's another one of those nights where I am pretty tired, and I have a lot of ideas right now, and it's kind of like a middle flow state where you want, or I want to, you know, stay up and work on learning about AI and learning more about AI. So what I did today was I played around with Opus 4.8, thinking to the highest setting, the maximum setting, to build Talos. And Talos is an AI dialer, right? Books and transfers live appointments. Um, and I pretty much maxed out the credits at about 6 o'clock. Had to wait 4 more hours, and then I could use it again at 10 o'clock. So now it's been about an hour and 43 minutes using that. Um, and then, this works. It's pretty cool. Like, we can go ahead and just test it out. We're going to make sure my microphone is on. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, um, well, let's start with the video today with just about what we're going to do during this time. It's going to be playing around with cloud design. Now, I've never ever used this before, so this is going to be the first time. Um, so yeah, this is a different app. I think honestly, let's just demo this another time. But today, 11:44 p.m., we're just gonna start playing around with cloud design and seeing how that goes, or how this goes. But what I've realized in AI and playing around with AI is that you really have to, get better at speaking in general. I felt like that's never been one of my strong suits. Like English, taking English classes, I never really took them seriously. Communication skills. It's sometimes I, might talk in riddles. It's hard for me to, get my ideas across, what I want to say out. And now with AI being able to do so much of the heavy lifting, and us taking more of a backseat role, more of a commander kind of role, it's really important to be able to express what we want to create so that the AI knows what to do. It's like we may have so many ideas in our mind, we may have so many ideas that we want to create. Capturing what's in our mind and transcribing that to the AI, I feel like is going to be the most important skill moving forward. But, there's a lot of caveats, like if AI is just going to get super expensive, and things like that. Okay, but let's start today. There were a couple of ideas that I did want to build at first. Let me see if I can go find my phone. I'm pretty sure I wrote it down somewhere right on my computer. Yeah, there are a couple of things I want to build. One of them is a website where I can organize images. And what I mean by that is that I like to, go around and find different types of aesthetics. Like Frutiger is one of them that I just saw. It's called Frutiger Arrow. Right, this is a style of art. So if you have an idea in mind and it's, Frutiger Arrow, you can go to my website and then just find like inspiration on this, and you're like, wait, I have an idea, I just really can't describe what the theme is, and then you find it on my website. It's called Fruitiger, stuff like that. And then obviously like 90s suits is another one of them that I like. Um, these are all like pretty modern, but I want to see more like 1990s stuff, stuff like that. I wouldn't wear that personally, but that's the era that stuff like this. That looks a little bit cooler. Um, yeah. But I guess today for this video, let's see if I want to build. See, should I start a prototype, a wireframe, or an animation? But what I want to build is a website, because I have like so many ideas of what I want to do, of what I want to build. Like anything else, like in my free time, I want to spend as little time possible doom scrolling or like just wasting time doing things that are unproductive, and like just looking through social media without any kind of purpose. Like, if I want to go through social media and watch videos, like honestly, it should be with an intention of trying to find something creative to, put in my mind. Um, yeah, it's like what's it called? It's like sorry, I'm just trying to stay awake. But pretty much it's like do it with some kind of intention of turning it into a piece of creative. But anyways, okay, with this to-do app, I have so many things I want to do. Like, there are video ideas that I want to film, right? There are apps I want to build. There might be homework I have to do. There may be stuff I have to work on, like working on my car, right? Some of my car parts might come in. I want to put that in there. I want to be able to, input what I want to do, and then I want to be able to categorize each of the things to do, like if it's gonna be creative work, if it's gonna be work, if I want to, if I want to do something specific like health, etc. Right? Let's say I have some free time, and I'm like, I'm feeling creative right now. What can I do to be creative right now? Well, can I start brainstorming on video ideas? Do I already have video ideas made that I can like go out and create? If I feel like I want to go work right now, can I start picking up the phone and styling and making sales? If I want to do health, right? Do I want to go hoop? Do I want to go play basketball? Do I want to go box? Do I want to go lift? Stuff like that. So, I'm able to input what I want to do and then give it categories that I can choose from, like creative, work, health, etc. And then I can also categorize the difficulty. Like, is this going to be something that's hard to do? Right? Is this going to be something easy to do? Is it going to be medium difficulty? Like, hard to do would be something like remove the intake manifold off my 2003 BMW 325i, right? Put a brand new starter in there, put everything back, and then it's gonna take a lot of time, right? Something easy to do would be, film like a talking head video. Super easy to do. Super Or like if I have like a short form video that's already made, but I need to go edit it, but it might take a little bit more time, might be medium difficulty, etc., etc. So basically, I input what I want to do. I categorize it if it's going to be like creative work, stuff like that. I get to categorize the difficulty, and then I also get to categorize the time it takes. So at any given moment, if I'm free, I just come look at my to-do list, sort it all out. What am I feeling? Am I feeling like doing something hard? Am I feeling like doing something easy? Do I have a lot of time? Do I have a little bit of time? Just sort it all out so I can get things done. Bang, perfect. All right, so I think I am going to create a, well, let's first of all, let's go ask Claude how to do this. Probably go, okay. I'm planning on creating a website or app that tracks my to-do. I want to input what I want to do, categorize it. Creative work, health, etc. Categorize the difficulty, categorize the time it takes. So at any given moment, if I'm bored and looking for time or category stuff like that. I'm using Cloud Design for the first time, and I am wondering, well, how to do that. Well, I guess I can just copy and paste that in here, see if it works. Cloud Opus. Oh, man. Another night, another dream, da-da-da-da. Let you talk to me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do. Another night. Cigarettes. No vapes, no cigarettes. What the fuck? Out of cigarettes. Fuck. Okay, so I entered all that in there, And then this is the response. Great idea. A what should I do right now task is genuinely useful twist on a to-do app. Before I build, let me get a clear picture so the first version actually fits how I'm going to use it. Where will I mostly use this? Feel like I'll mostly use this on desktop web. Go home, find out what I can do. And sometimes maybe rip up a laptop and find out what I want to do. Working on a computer makes me feel a lot more productive. I see myself maybe slightly using mobile, but mobile may be too small. Dot 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 dot. Pick one. What visual vibe do I want? Do I want something calm and minimal? I want this to feel very, very sleek and smooth. I see opaque gray where the UI is very fluid. I would say difficulty would be 3 levels. How should time to do work? Yeah, I would say probably that. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Mark done streets. That could be fun. Which one of these do I want out of this first pass? Maybe that. Okay, let's see. I'm so tired. All right, so here is what we got. It's not exactly what I was thinking, but not really changing anything. Oh, okay. So, we gotta, let's see. Okay, so this is graphite. It's onyx. I don't know. I don't really see too much of a difference. It's mist. All right, fuck it. It's not exactly what I thought. Uh, I want to build this into a fully functional website. I want to build this into a fully functional website. I want this to be built. How do I? Is it in my Claude folder now? Like, how does this work? It's not here. Then type. All right, now I'm gonna say I want to build this into a site. This is exactly what to hand off to Claude Code for it turns this design into a real spec code base. Let me read that skill so it's set up correctly. And then from here on out, let's just go to GitHub. New. Just call it like Sift maybe. Things to do. Let's just call it Sift. For sale. How much is it? Screw it. Things to do. Screw it. Private. Create that repo. Let's get this set up. I don't think I've used Claude Code yet, too. I use Codework. I haven't used Claude Code. But basically what I'm doing is I've made a GitHub repository, and then now I am just going to put in the folder location and give Claude access to this. Oops. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so I guess I'll just put those in here. So true, but you talk to me like lovers do. So basically, I made a little prototype with this. Edit. Oh, I don't want to edit. I don't want to mess this up. So I made the prototype. Now it's making a little bit more screenshots. And then I'll be able to put this into the same folder that I'm letting Claude Code have access to. Let's see. Yo, what? Bro, this is garbage. Site reference. What the fuck is this? Oh shit. Ultra code? Honestly, I don't think I have enough. I'm just gonna use good balance between smart and high. New version ready. Bro, what? Whatever. Bang. All right. Now we just let the AI do its thing. Now we wait. Provide React TypeScript. Honestly, just for this hell of it, let's go ahead and do a little timer. I like stopwatch. Let's play. Let's see how this goes. 59 to I don't know how much token I have. Bro, what? Resets at 3 a.m. Resets at July 1st. So I've already used 26% of my usage, bro. What the fuck? Always allow. Oh, I've already used 72 fucking percent. So I'm probably not going to be able to finish this today. I'm gonna have to wait again. Come back. I could wait. Like 2 hours. That'll be no, I gotta wait 3 hours for 3:10 a.m. Wow, that sucks. Yes, I just said yes. 320 tokens. The fuck? Alright, back from the shower. It looks like he wants to use how long have I been waiting on this? I don't know. I would have sucked if this whole time I was waiting, like I don't know, we'll just start a new timer from here. So 23. Screw it, I'll just do it again. Bro, what the fuck? It just keeps asking me for permission. I'm like, yes, dude. Wow, I could have just done that the whole time. Bypass permissions, bro. Yes. That's actually kind of scary. Still recording. Request failed. Bro, what is going on? Oh, that looks nice. Yes. Is it working? Bro, it hasn't made anything. Shit is ass. There it is. Approaching session limit. I'm gonna have to stop it here pretty soon, honestly. What you mean? 90%, bro. What the fuck? All right. My usage window is about to. It's about to like reach the limits, so I think I'll just pause here at this point and then continue tomorrow. All right, it is now morning, and then I am able to, have a little bit more focus and energy to read all this. I literally just woke up, but it looks like they actually put it in my folder here. So let's see. It's in screw it. Let's go here. Terminal. And I'll just try this. See if it works. Localhost. New task. What do you want to do? Easy. Sort it. Low energy. Oh, sweet. So, like, looks like everything here works. Nice. Okay, cool. So I guess it took about like 30 minutes, but everything does work here. Um, clear all, hide done, clear all. There it is, change the accent. Nice. Sweet, 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 sweet. Awesome. Well, I guess there it is. It worked. And then now for the part two, I think I'll just work on like the back end. But yeah, there it is. It really does work. That's awesome. Wow. Just gonna move everything over to the other folder. That's sweet. So I guess it finished in about like 30. Well, I guess this whole thing took about less than like um an hour for just for like the front end part. So that's pretty sweet.